JDK, or Java Development Kit, is the powerhouse for Java programmers, packing all the necessary tools for Java programming, including JavaC, which turns source files into class files. Without JDK, you're not developing Java applications. It's that simple. JDK even comes with its own JRE, or Java Runtime Environment. When you run a Java program, the Java command triggers the JRE that's first found in the system path. It's a package deal. Why is Java so beloved? Platform independence thanks to the Java virtual machine tops the list. Write your code once and run it anywhere. This is the WARA, or write once, run anywhere philosophy in action. Java's security features protect against threats like eavesdropping and viruses. Plus, multi-threading allows for multiple independent threads within a process, boosting performance and efficiency. Speaking of performance, Java's JIT, or just-in-time compiler, compiles only the method being called, not the entire program, saving precious time. Java's versatility is unmatched. It's the go-to language for Android apps, scientific computing, and web applications. Its widespread use is a testament to its popularity and utility. Learning Java is a smart move. It's quick to pick up, remains a staple in industries like government and healthcare, and opens doors to a myriad of programming possibilities. Java's simplicity is intentional. It's designed to be straightforward and familiar to those with a background in C and C++, minus the confusing concept of pointers. At its core, Java is object-oriented. Everything is about classes and objects, from mobile phones to software components, encapsulating real-world entities with state and behavior. Java's platform-independent nature was a deliberate choice. Write your code on any machine, compile it into bytecode, and run it on any other machine with a JVM. Portability is another Java strength. The WARA concept means developers write code once and deploy it anywhere, thanks to the universal language of bytecode and the adaptability of the JVM. Java is robust, with features like exception handling and automatic garbage collection, ensuring stability and preventing unexpected program terminations. Security in Java is paramount. With features to counteract viruses, tampering, and impersonation, Java ensures your applications are safe in a connected world. Java uses both a compiler and an interpreter, with the JVM interpreting bytecode at execution time and JIT compilers enhancing performance. Multithreading in Java allows for concurrent tasks within an application, like spell checking and autocorrect in a document editor, or handling multiple server requests. Oracle JDK has been the traditional choice for Java development, but OpenJDK is a strong contender, with contributions from the community and major tech companies. Performance-wise, Oracle JDK has been known for stability, but OpenJDK is catching up, with improvements in stability and performance, thanks to community efforts. JRE is the environment needed to run Java applications, containing the JVM, class libraries, and other necessary components. But it's not equipped for development like JDK.